Hello guys. So, what if you are in a meeting and you need to do some quick show what you have documented? Boom. So, you have, for example, you have long text. You have a really long text. This could be the case. Let's just imagine you are having written, for example, we have some examples here. You have, for example, written this here. So this is a meeting took place, blah blah blah, and this was you what you will was writing, or even worse, you have doing some was doing warehouse session, whatever. So this is, if you want to read it, this is about some new processes introduced in a warehouse business. So we want to quickly explain to our stakeholders how is anything done here? What is this about? And they don't really know. So a good idea is always to visualize the thing. And how do you visualize this is the question, and make it really accessible for people that are not familiar with the contents. So definitely you could use the ChatGPT for this to write me summary, but write a summary, and this is still like, okay, yeah, inbound, okay, no, I don't really like this, but because this is all so much text and we want to have it differently. So, how about giving it this text, and how about instead creating a mermaid diagram out of it, or some kind of diagram? So, yeah, can you make a fitting mermaid diagram out of this docu, which I can use in a meeting so stakeholders easily understand? So this will just create something now in the background, and I can lean back and wait until it's done. And this will be flowchart now. So let's see what the AI has come up with. So this is the first thing I tried. With the same with the basically the same documentation. So first it had here a warehouse process update meeting. So, and there's actually no code inside here, but there it is. So this is the first one it provided me, and then we can as well just try to do a second one here. Okay, refresher training has a bug in it, maybe because of the brackets. Okay. So this is a different visualization that the AI has come up with. But I don't like this one so much. I like the other one more. So let's just stay with this one. Okay, we had a warehouse process update meeting. Key changes were been introduced, and then we are going from, this is very nice. So those were basically the points that the AI was giving me before as well, probably. Inbound receiving slotting updates. But the concerns raised, for example, scheduling train, concerns raised, they are now displayed here very much easier. Challenges discussed in those 4 points. So this is basically what it's doing here. And then the implementation timeline is what it's doing here. It's about the congestion during slotting moves. And yeah, this is what's stated here. So it's much better to visualize this and to easily show people, because this also is doing some kind of impressive task. You always want managers to see something visualized, and yeah, anybody wants to see visualized. So give me a heads up if you need to. You can even change here the Git. Give me a heads up if you like, and yeah, thanks for your attention. I hope you're doing well all the time, and yes, see you later on YouTube, and catch me up on the department, or as well on my email on socials. Bye.